Hey y'all, PiecesofNika is back with another video, and yes, I have on the same thing because as I told y'all, I bulk filmed, so I got all these videos knocked out in the same day. Yes, I'm working for y'all, working. So please thumbs up the video, comment if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and press the bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a video. So yes, in today's Throwback Thursday video, I'm going to be actually trying out 6 Bantu knots on my Flatiron natural hair. And the old throwback product I'm going to be using is the Shea Moisture 10-in-1 Renewal System Conditioner. I'm actually going to be using this as a leave-in, and I have done this on my actual curly hair and it was great. So I'm going to try this on my flat iron hair and see how it turns out. I plan on doing 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to just part my hair down the middle. The part doesn't have to be straight, and I am going to come back the next day to show you all how it looked. And I want to do big sections, so. And I'm not using a lot. It's about how much I'm using. You may think that it's going to reverse my hair, but it's not. You want to just twist it. Get a twist started like that. Then you just start twisting like this. Grab that piece and hold it. And then just start twisting around that piece. And as you twist, you want to go around that piece. Like that. When it starts not like that, that's the piece you want to hold. Alright you guys, so that is my Bantu knot out. There's 3 on that side, 3 on this side. And for my edges, I'll be using this Silk Element Strength and Silk Edge Gel. And it's just like a clear edge control. It's real stiff. So I'm going to take my toothbrush, get my head scarf ready. Make sure I loop them in here so that they don't come out. Alright you guys, I will see you in the morning for the takedown to show you how this turns out. If this works, this could be something you all can try. We'll see you in the morning. Good night. Don't leave. I'm coming back.
The next day.
Hey y'all, so it's the next morning. Let's take our Bantu knots out. Okay, so they're all out, so now we're going to separate them. I'm not going to separate them a lot because I don't want to create more frizz, you know. Alright you guys, so what do you think? It turned out pretty cute, huh? I mean, I like it. You know, I try to do all I can to get big hair around here these days, but this is the back, the side. Alright you guys, I thank you all so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked how my hair turned out, doing just Bantu knot out with one product, that Shea Moisture 10-in-1, which smells really good by the way. My hair is soft and I love it. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.